Today I'm going to be installing these rock guards from ZL1 Addons so we can prevent dirt and rocks from damaging the paint. I decided to go with these because the ones that I did see online, they were a lot bigger and I wanted a more clean look back here, and I found these and I think these will work out right. They're a lot smaller than the ones I was looking at. So we're gonna hop right into it and put these on. Now for the front, I have to remove this rocker keeper right here. That's where the new rock guard is gonna mount. And then the 3M tape is gonna stick alongside the edge. Right here you have 4 rivets along the back side of the bumper. And then you have 1 bolt right here. So on the back, you just take some pliers, grab the back of it, and just pull it, and it's gonna break loose, and you just pop it out. Right here, you just take your pliers and then grab, well, I already pulled it out, so, but you just grab the end and then you just squeeze it and just yank it out, and it's gonna come out. It's already been pulled, so, but yeah. Now to replace the rivets, they provide 4 push pins for you and a washer for the bolt. I'm gonna put the bolt in first, put the washer behind, I'm gonna start it right there. Let's get it snug. Get your push pin. This whole time I wasn't paying attention and I left 1 rivet in. So I just took it out, and let me get back to installing this. I have to remove this rocker keeper so I can install the front. It has 3M tape on the back, and it also came with this little clip, so I guess it can hold the top part right here on the edge. You have to reuse these two little, whatever you want to call them. Push it, you just squeeze it, push it out, and you're gonna place it in here. Like that. Squeeze it, push it out, insert it in here. Just like that. So on this part right here, where the 3M tape is gonna stick at, I'm gonna use some alcohol to kind of clean any dirt from right here, so we won't have no problem sticking. There we go. Clip right there. So they can hold it. Looks pretty good. Don't stick out too far. It's in there pretty good. These are way better than those big bulky ones that I saw. So I'm kind of glad I came across these. Shout out to ZL1 Addons. This look good. Look at that. This is gonna be it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.